Hey friends, welcome to this new video. In this video, I'll be telling you how to delete your Blogger blog. So for deleting your Blogger blog, you have to visit to the blogger.com. Once you are into the blogger.com, you'll be able to see the dashboard in front of you. So here you will see all your blogs which are created on the Google Blogger platform. So once you are into your dashboard area, you have to go to the settings. Then you have to go to other, and then you have to click on this button, remove your blog, delete blog. So it will give you a warning that whether you want to take the backup or not. So if you want to take the backup, you can download it or you can delete this blog. So now your blog will be deleted. Now under this menu options for the blogger account, you'll find all of your blogs, and under deleted blog section you will find your deleted blog. So this is the simple way to delete a blogger blog. And if you want to delete it permanently, you can click on permanently delete and your blog will be deleted permanently. And if you want to restore it, you can click on undelete. So this is very simple, and it's the only way to delete. So if you have any questions, or if you're getting stuck in between, you can drop down your comments below, and I'll be putting more tips to enhance your blogger performance, and I'll be also helping you to generate more revenue with this. So subscribe to my channel, Ishant Nair. I hope you like this video. Thank you.